See, this is negotiation. This is why that's another key aspect of things that you have to have that skill set and develop that. So for me, you know, I'll take me into the bonus, and I get excited about this, but the thing for me is finding your lane in project management. Don't be the jack of all trades. Like I said, I am not the best when it comes to the technical aspect of things. At first, I thought, man, I'm technical. I could put together this document. This I'm using BI, and and I'm like, no, but that's not me. My thing is connecting with the people. My thing is helping the people along, inspiring the people to move forward, and us actually getting the work done instead of having 13,000 artifacts that at the end of the day we don't know what the artifacts is really providing for us. My goal, my job is my gift is being able to get the project done. Period. While everyone else is procrastinating, I'm good at executing. That is my thing. If you want to know how to execute, call your boy.